Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka kenhun ki Samla Pule jong skol ba Nehu, ki badan hapok Shatri jong North Eastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu, ha kan riu-riu jembang arjakat kendai, kila IT ya ke dorkas jing dawa, show pro vice chancellor ka skol ba Nehu Professor Henry Lamin ba Tuklar lem halor ka jing light thli jong ka post guest lecturer hapok ka Department of Geography jong ka skol ba Nehu ka balabu jing exam Samla Pule. Ki noilam ke Nehusu berkenthop ya ka Presiden ka Samla Jenuika Majau badu advisor ka Nehusu Samla rang dajet marweng ha ka jing keren bat ka Batisi TV kila yuthu ba kila dawa ya ki bor peniat ka skul ba Nehu ba kin thong Nonghikai no apo si benai apo ka Department of Geography shwa ban sedang ka jing sim kelas.
We want justice! We want justice! Actually, down, down! Actually, down, down! Actually, down, down! Actually, down, down! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Actually, down, 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 down!
Do not play
Without future!
Do not play
Without future!
Do not play
Without future!
Kini ka jing tuna ka jong Nonghikai ka la pentut si ka dai khana Pule jong ne ka department ha ka bon ki mla opsio ite ki specialized people ka baki ki kwa ka man ka jong ki to ndang ila yo ka ni ka jing tip ha ubanai February ila ikundo yu HOD jong ka geography department ha ka ba ula kular hangi ba unkhat no penkloy ya ka ne ka guest lecturer vacant post te hadin ka jing kular ka jong u ila ap la katuk ani benai rekam sim la seiso te ha ubenai April ula khat ya kanika vacancy jong kanika guest lecturer henry ka jing apat kolong ba ukhat ya kanika interview ha ka khat santrik jong April ka padeka local holiday te mare yo jing tip kumni ngi nagal yang jong ni husu ngila bot den biang ya kanika kam ha ka bangile kunduk biang yu HOD mentakasngi hadin ka jing kunduk ka jong mentakasni pan ula aida ba nakal yang ka jong vice chancellor sim la approve yak taki expert members ha ka ban conduct ya interview bat ba vice chancellor ru judan hapo station temar kum tahi ngilawan ya kundu no sini hapo vice chancellor's office ha ka pangila ya kundu you acting vice chancellor Professor Henry Lamin ha ka baula kular ba approve no iteki expert members bat ba most probably next week kin khot no ya gini ki guest lecturer ban shim interview ki bat ban fill ya gini ki post na kaliang jong ni husuhi lada kani ka jong kular ka jong menta kasngi khmat jong HOD ba khmat jong khana Pule jong ni ka school ba bat jong di khana jong geography department na kaliang jong husu ngimban sepat ban shim sering wisin jam man penbor ya kan ka administration bahkan approve no koloi gini ke expert member khanang ba ka jing approve ka jong ki ya gini ke expert member kan long ka jing phoida ya ki khana Pule namang imla hi ban klet ba ka jing don jong ni ka school ba hi ka dei nam ta ki khana Pule nam ta jong no pan balada kam bon ra jing men toy hi khana Pule ni sngo ba ka jing don jong school ba ru kam don jing men toy e ru